Incremental greetings, this is Incremental, also known as William Palace. Today I want to share you something I discovered that I have the formula for human genius and creativity article, but it's a duplicate. As you can see, the only difference, the URL is the S, HTTPS for secure. It's the same. But when I imported, as you can see, I imported that at the very beginning of my SuperMemo experience back on August, and then again on April 4th. But SuperMemo didn't check that it was a duplicate just because there was just one character off. It's because of the S. It's unfortunate because it's the same. Now let's look at the list here. Those are the items. This, I can tell that this is just a split, and I think that's one oscillation. And this other one, here is the one I used. Here are more topics, right? And the numbers are more recent. And if you notice, when you have a duplicate, at least in the title, SuperMemo is adding a random character. In this case, is an underscore. So actually what you will want to do is go to Browse. Let's look at any of them. Yeah, here I only have one item. So I just want to get rid of everything here. If I go here, it's under creativity. And creativity inside imports this file in an obscure knowledge tree branch. If I go again here, I select the other one, the actual copy. You see that I didn't create any single item, but it seems that I have more items. So that's funny. So that's a concept called creativity in the parent. And the other is a folder called creativity. So that's one of the things I did at the beginning, one of the mistakes, and that went unnoticed. So second learning here is that you really want to use concepts, so it's very easy to spot duplicates because they will be in the same branch. And second, pay attention to the URL when it has an S or no. So now I will go back here. That's the one that doesn't have the S, right? So let's find out with a new collection. So I will import doubled. So if I have both at the same time, it says it's doubled. Okay, so let's pretend we do one by one. So let's do without the S now. Let's import that article. Okay, now it's in my collection and so on. And in any time in the future, I stumble upon the same link, but using the S. And I want to import that. I don't even remember if it's in my collection or not. So I will try. And look! SuperMemo, it's not saying, oh, it's the same one. It's not a double or duplicate. Sometimes it tells you duplicate with question mark. I don't know what's the criteria to do so, but it will be nice. A filter to suggest will be to check that. So after HTTPS or whatever, so when the domain starts, it's exactly the same. It's only using the protocol